What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. I'm checking it out on the channel. We're checking it out on the channel. Milady fam, Milady meme coin fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Ladies, looking for a bounce. A lot of positive news in the markets today throughout this week, and it's looking like ladies is ready for a bounce from these levels. We're gonna dive into it, guys. If you hold ladies, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. And without any further ado, let's take a look, man. As you guys can see, ladies right now at $26 million in market cap, up 5%, 5.5% on the day, guys. $4.2 million in 24-hour trade volume. We could take a look from the 7-day chart, right? It started to make a move back up after this retrace that it had. It went sideways and it started to make a bounce. I was supposed to cover it when it was making it, that bounce, man. But you know, it just took a few days away from YouTube just to get my mind right to start going on an upload spree once again, right? Goal is to upload at least 40 to 50 days in a row. Not one day missed from this day forward, right? So we're gonna see what we got. But yeah, ladies chart, making that bounce. Pretty nice stuff from the community tab on CoinMarketCap. Rec, ladies cracking listing. Peter, ladies bullish 76%. Ladies, you still have time. Somebody footing. Creative Solutions, ladies is not only in the top 20 gainer right now, but it's on its way up. I know it's hard for the haters to believe, but we're here to stay, and that's what I'm saying, man. Welcome to reality. Please visit again. That's what I'm saying. I wish I was covering when it was making this bounce off the lows, right, off the bottom, because you can see on the 7-day it looks like it's ready to start a new uptrend. Lily, I'm bullish on ladies. DJ Awesome, let's go, holding strong. Crypto Runner, GRR, we will see 1 cent very soon. Hold on tight. I'm very optimistic. Hazan, head into space. R5, here we go. Everyone buy more. Alex, will be a good month for ladies, and I'm not gonna be surprised if it is a good month for ladies, guys. A lot of bullish news that recently came out. We take a better look at the chart from this is when I last drew on the chart. This was the last time I took a look at the chart, man. As you guys can see, this is why you can't doubt harmonic patterns. I can't speak. You can see right here, resistance, right? Flip that resistance to support right here, right? These are the lines that I drew a while back since my previous videos. I adjusted them just a tad bit, but I did say if it broke this line, the next support would be in this level, right? I drew the line just a little bit lower, so I drew it like just right down there, right? So it didn't really touch the line exactly, but you know, it was actually close enough, right? So it made a bounce from this line and then bounced up, broke that resistance right here, and came back down into this range, and now it's looking like it's gonna bounce off this line right here, guys. That's what I'm seeing in the charts. We're gonna see what happens with the ladies chart, guys. But yeah, a lot of people panic sold in this region. A lot of people were panic selling. Had people that held on, then it made a nice little move to the upside. How much percentage was that? That's a 50%, 24% move. And you know, it looks like it's ready to start a brand new uptrend from here, especially with the bullish news that came out. We're gonna get into that in a second. But yeah, guys, ladies, if you still holding, let me know in the comment section, ladies fam, if you're still diamond handing. Going into the bull cycle, like I said, this is one of the few meme coins in my opinion. I saw Kucoin put out a tweet not the other day, like yesterday or day before, and ladies was on the tweet, right? Let me see if I can find it actually, instead of just mentioning it. This is a little detraction from where I was going with my video, but I saw them put out a tweet. I think it was Kucoin, right? Maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, right here, see that? Top new meme coins listed on Kucoin to know about, right here. Kucoin, meme coins are buzzing on Kucoin. Discover the top new meme coins you could trade on Kucoin in 2023. Dive into the world of meme coins, learn their potential pros and cons, trading options, and more in our latest blog post, right? And you can see right here, ladies on the front page, man. I was like, whoa, making waves, man, making waves. So they got, see, right here in the blog post, Pepe 2.0, Milady meme coin. And they got a nice write-up of Milady, guys. The Milady meme coin has close ties to the Milady Maker NFTs, collection of 10,000 NFTs. The origin of Milady meme coin, Milady NFTs are attributed to the Remilia Collective. The Milady meme coin and the Milady NFTs combine meme culture with blockchain technology, creating an engaging and immersive ecosystem. The Milady NFTs have become a lifestyle brand encompassing various experiences such as Milady VR Tube, Milady Raves, and the Milady Minecraft Metaverse. Learn how to buy ladies on Kucoin. You see that? Huge, right? From the actual Kucoin.com, they got a blog post with ladies right here, man. And I saw it, I was like, whoa, this is gonna be great to talk about. So I didn't plan it for the video, but I was, you know, when I was taking my day off just scrolling Twitter, I saw it and I was like, yo, this would have been something great to talk about. So it just popped in my head. So yeah, let's take a look at this video, guys.
Can they say no to a spot ETF?
Well,
for how much longer?
Well, it goes to that issue. I think that when the SEC approved the futures-based ETF, they said, let's look at the futures market. We see the surveillance, we see the protections in that market for the end investor.
Man, it's so crazy, guys. Like years ago, these institutional hedge fund bankers, all these types of people in these positions of power were never bullish on crypto. They never wanted this all of a sudden change to happen where now they want to get into Bitcoin. Before they were talking down on Bitcoin, they were talking down on crypto, saying it was, you know, garbage. Now all of a sudden they want to get their hands on as much crypto as possible. It's insane.
That are sufficient. We don't see them in the spot market, so we're going to make that distinction. I think what the institutions are arguing is that those distinctions have gone away, and now the spot product is actually less drag, more efficient for the investor. So if there's not that delta in regulation, not that delta in what I could say efficacy, the spot should be approved. That's the argument.
When?
The spot should be approved, guys. I hope you heard that. BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF gets approved. All the other spot ETFs gets approved, and I'm telling you, once that approval happens, it's the start of the bull run. Okay, that is my indication that the bull run has started. If it doesn't get approved, okay, we're still in the bear market, or you know, still in a, how should I say, a sideways crab market. But once the spot ETF gets approved, it's the start of the bull run, guys. Buckle up. We're going to the moon. Everything is gonna send. Ladies is gonna send. It's gonna be amazing.
What's going on right now? Look, the regulatory process, whether it doesn't matter.
It's been a while already.
It's been a while already. What I would say is this: if they're right, that you can demonstrate that the spot market has similar efficacy to the futures market, you know, it would be hard to resist approving a Bitcoin ETF.
It would be hard to resist approving a Bitcoin ETF. That's when the floodgates will open, man. People want to know where the money's gonna come from to pump the crypto space another time. Institutional money, guys, because I'm telling you, there's gonna be so much money that flows into the spot Bitcoin ETFs. We know, but and not just one, many are, you know, have been applied for. Bitcoin is gonna absolutely break out and crush it. You guys see, right now it's at 30.7k. So next target would be 34k. You can see that uptrend started once again for Bitcoin, right? So once you see those ETFs get approved, it's over, man. Like everything is gonna send, because a lot of projects, just the space in general is bullish when Bitcoin is bullish, right? We got from Syed, ladies chart right here. Make sure to apply proper risk management, but now would be a good time to enter. Consider buying at major support level, right? And then we could see after this what EMA? This is the EMA 55, right? So once it breaks this EMA, it got hidden bearish divergence for the ladies chart. We could see another move up around 2x from here, because the uptrend is going to start once again, because you can see, man, Bitcoin is starting that uptrend, guys. The week is looking pretty bullish, and I still haven't gotten to that news that we recently just got today, guys. So keep watching if you're still tuned in. Thank y'all so much. From Cute Rat, you can see right here, like I said, another 2x, just around a 2x move from this bounce. Once we break that 55 MA, guys, moving average, from here we could see a 2x move up, move to the upside, right? From Acomanther, ladies, Milady Memecoin is going to shock the meme coin world. Embrace the strength and resilience of ladies as it conquers the meme coin market. This is your chance to become a part of something extraordinary. Milady Memecoin 66.2k followers. And the news that I wanted to mention from the jump, saved it till the end of the video today. We just got the CPI data, right? This is the core inflation data. That the reason why the bear market even started in the first place was because of these interest rates that were being raised by the Fed, constantly raising the interest rates because inflation all of a sudden got overwhelming, right? So inflation is coming down, so that is a good thing, but it completely wrecked the markets, stock market, crypto market, and that's why we had such a crazy and terrible bear market. The worst bear market a lot of analysts said they've seen, right? But we're getting closer and closer to the CPI data number that the Fed was aiming for. Their goal is 2%, and just in from Jack Humphreys and many other reputable sources, the CPI data inflation is in. June CPI data is at 3%, below expectations of 3.1%. Core CPI inflation at 4.8%, below expectations of 5%. Core CPI below 5% for the first time since December 2021. So the Fed is doing their job, but at what cost? How many banks failed? How many things went wrong in the markets? How bad is things still, in just the financial system altogether, even with the inflation data coming down? But their target is 2%. So once their target is achieved, which looks like it will be soon, then we could see quantitative easing start to happen, which is where, they put a pause on the interest rate hikes, and then maybe pivot and start to reduce the interest rate hikes. And then again, like I said, all of this is leading up to the potential bull market that is on the way for us. And Milady fam, that is going to be absolutely amazing, so you won't want to miss it. CPI data at 3% is the most bullish news we've gotten in a while with the spot ETFs. It's everything is lining up to a potential bull market that's gonna knock our socks off, guys. So yeah, you can see Bitcoin already reacting positively to the news, and of course ladies is following, the king of crypto, Bitcoin, right? And it's reacting positively as well. So you see on the 7-day compared to the Bitcoin chart, it's reacting positively as well. Even though it's a meme coin, the liquidity for ladies is very great because it's on tier 1 exchanges like Kucoin and crypto.com. So it has great liquidity to follow the broader markets, guys. So I'm looking for more bullish momentum for ladies from here, like from Cute Rat's chart, 74% upside, Syad's chart up to that 0.59 even 0.62 mark for ladies, guys. So now would be a nice time to enter. If you already hold the project, just diamond hand until the bull market. But if you were looking for entry, now would be a good time to do so. Not financial advice. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything ladies and myself will be in the description, and also please be sure to join the Patreon.